Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a tail light on a Nissan Titan. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and your new replacement bulb. Make sure your truck is turned off and parked on a level surface for safety. You'll need to open the tailgate to easily access the two retaining screws that hold the tail light assembly in place. This simple preparation makes the process smooth. Now let's remove the old tail light. With your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two retaining screws you located earlier. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but a firm, steady pull should release it. Then, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it apart. Finally, twist the individual bulb sockets counterclockwise to remove them from the housing. With the old assembly removed, it's time to install your new bulb. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its life. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. Then, twist each bulb socket clockwise back into the new tail light assembly, ensuring they are fully seated and locked into place. Double-check that all connections feel secure. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the new tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting pins and push it firmly into place until it sits flush against the truck body. Reinstall the two retaining screws with your Phillips head screwdriver, tightening them snugly but not over-tightening. Before you close the tailgate, turn on your vehicle and test all the lights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.